I called earlier. They say I can drop it off.
Oh, perfect.
Yes, yes. Is that okay? Okay. Okay, here we go. We're gonna put it on this machine here. My phone number. Okay. Come at 7 p.m. Okay. Okay, perfect. Don't touch it, James. They're gonna charge us based on how much he's pushing it. Let it go, sweetie. Let it go, Angel. It's 32 pounds. But you separate colors, black.
Yeah, or
okay. okay. Hey again. Good. How are you? Okay. You guys take cards here, right? Okay. Thanks. Everything's nicely folded. Thank you so much. What is your name? Cindy. Thank you very much.